And getting ready for our breathing exercises, pranayama, coming into a comfortable cross-legged position. We'll begin with Kapalabhati. Taking your hands in chin mudra, palms facing up on your lap. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Again, inhale deeply, exhale. Inhale for the first round. Begin. Hex, 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 exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale, 3/4 of your lungs full. Comfortably hold your breath. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhaling for the second round. Hex, 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 exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale, 3/4 of your lungs full. Comfortably hold your breath. Mind is focused on the point between the eyebrows. Keep the back straight, chin parallel with the floor. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Final round. Make it strong. Inhale deeply. Exhale. 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 Hex, 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 exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale, 3/4 of your lungs full. Comfortably hold your breath. Keep the back straight, top of the head lifting towards the ceiling. This time you can visualize energy coiled at the base of your spine and pull it up along the spinal column towards the top of the head. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now you can stretch out your legs if you like. If you don't need to, you can keep them crossed. If the legs are stretched, you just move the feet in and out like windshield wipers. Relax your hips, maybe bounce the knees up and down. Relax your legs, ankles, and feet. And we'll get ready for alternate nostril breathing, Anuloma Viloma. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. First 2 fingers tucked into the palm. And then both hands are resting on the knees, facing up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all of the air out of your lungs. Inhale again. Exhale all of the air out of your lungs. Block off your right nostril. Inhale through the left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Close the nostrils, hold the breath. Release your thumb. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Closing off both nostrils, holding the breath. Release your fingers. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your thumb. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your fingers. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your thumb. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your fingers. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Make sure back is straight. Chin parallel with the ground. Release your thumb. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your fingers. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your thumb. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your fingers. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Mind focused at the point between the eyebrows. Release your thumb. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your fingers. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain. Release your thumb, exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, retain. Release your fingers, exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Drop your hand, inhale deeply, and exhale. Now lie back, relax in Shavasana. Thinking of all the good benefits, balancing out right and left brain, focusing the mind. And bring your feet together, raise your arms overhead, get a nice stretch and release, and bring yourself up to sitting. Namaste.